Okay, so from these lines you can see lots of contours here. It's going to be a waterfall, and let's see how can we draw it. Just putting the blue lines from the bottom, you can see this part. Okay, so let's put the darker part in the bottom and the lighter part on the top and progress to the upward directions. Okay, so it's a dark blue color, but for the few strokes you can see after a few strokes it's getting a light blue, and you can see the appearance of the blue in the canvas. So we're just trying to draw the waterfall here. Okay, lots of ups and downs for the water levels. So one basic thing, just put the darker color at the bottom and put the lighter color in the top. So as it progresses to upwards, the white color is prominent, and as it progresses to the bottom downward, the blue color is prominent. All right. So the waterfalls, it's, you can see, looks clearer. Mhm. Here you can see some tops of the, you can see the tree lines which has the red branches on the top. Okay, you can take the black color, drawing the trees to the contour of the waterfalls on the side. Okay, drawing the bigger one. All right, so in the bottom part you can just put the darker segments, putting the darker segments in the bottom. Okay, and this part just put some, the irregular hatches for drawing the sceneries. Okay, and take the red color and putting some other tree lines through the sides of the waterfalls, which is of red color. And also take the darker color here. Mm-hmm. Draw the contours. Like this one. Put in lots of strokes and some strokes on the top. Draw like this one. Okay. Just putting the colors. Few colors for the darkness of the tree lines. Take the black color and put a boat here. A line and a boatman. Okay. Put some shades. Okay, so the scenery looks like the people, the person is very courageous and strong enough to drive in this hilly water body. Let's see what happens next. There's the main theme. Okay, so it's very dangerous, pretty dangerous. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.